This tutorial will show you how to export in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to export in Adobe Premiere Pro CC video editing software, once you have your video clip or this portion of the videos you're currently seeing. Okay, that's good. Now basically, there's a couple ways to do this. I'm zooming in on the timeline. And I basically want to add an in point by clicking I or Control I on my keyboard, and then go to the designated clip or portion, and you can even click here to extend the out point. But if you don't have an out point, click O or Control O on your keyboard and it will create and add an out point. In this case, we're going to click Control plus M on our keyboard. For Windows, laptop, PC, you get the choice. Now basically this will bring up the export settings as we can see, and now we have a couple different options. We can choose to match sequence settings. You can even change the format. You can even change the preset by clicking these drop down arrows. I prefer this option, H.264. This is the best option for uploading videos in my opinion. Now basically you can even choose to add a comment if you would like. And then you can choose to save this under the output name on your desktop, Mac, PC, laptop, computer. Now basically you have a couple different options. You can click you want to export the video or just export the audio only. One of them must be selected. And then if you were to scroll down, you can choose to export this video using the maximum render quality. Basically this will give you better quality as it says, but it will also increase the encode or export time. And once you're happy or satisfied, you can click Q or you can click export directly, and voila, completely for free.